Hello everyone, it's Ron from High-Tech Legion, and it's part of our review of the Corsair Vengeance K70 gaming keyboard. This is of course an update from the K60 and also takes some of the features from the K90, which were both released previously. And the Vengeance K70 comes with a set of replacement keycaps similar to the ones found in the K60, and also has a keycap puller. Comes with a user's guide and a warranty information guide. There's also the distinct detachable soft touch wrist rest found in those previous keyboards as well. At the upper right hand corner you'll find the multimedia control keys, as well as a mute button and an analog scroll wheel for the volume control. There's also white LEDs for the scroll lock, the num lock, and the caps lock. And there's also a Windows disable key that lights up. All keys are individually backlit with an individual LED, and this one in particular is the black version that comes with a red LED backlighting, while there is also a classic silver version that has a blue backlight. You can also pull these keycaps out and replace them with the ergonomic ones that were provided in the accessory pack. From the default position, the K70 has a slight angle to it, but with a quick flick of the tab in the rear, you can raise that angle to be a bit steeper. And with additional tabs located near the front, you can essentially raise it and have a little bit more of a level typing area. In the rear, you'll find toggle switch for adjusting the polling rate and to increase compatibility with entering different motherboard BIOS. And there is also a thick braided cable that branches out into two USB connectors. One is for powering the keyboard itself, while the other one is for providing USB pass-through capability. And this USB port is located right beside that BIOS switch, and it pretty much performs as if a USB thumb drive is plugged in directly to your motherboard. There are two buttons on the top of the K70 which are used to control the LED functions. The one on the left is the LED program button, and it is used primarily to toggle between the two lighting modes. Of course, the main one is the full backlight mode, where all individual keys are lit up. And the other one is the custom program pattern mode. And to program a pattern, simply hold the LED program button until it starts blinking. And from there, users can disable or enable select LED keys. And unfortunately, only one pattern can be saved at a time. There is also a hidden reactive typing mode enabled by holding down Control plus the LED program button. This lights up the last active button pressed for a split second, and I must say the effect is quite cool. Right beside the LED program button is the LED brightness button, which allows users to adjust LED backlight levels, including the ability to turn all the LEDs off. The Vengeance K70 will be available in Cherry MX Blue, Brown, and the red version that you see here. And as for the sound it makes, just take a listen to hear what the Cherry MX Red K70 sounds like. And yes, it does have anti-ghosting functions, as you see here. To read the rest of the review, just go to www.hightechlegion.com, where I elaborate more on what I thought of the Vengeance K70 keyboard. You can also leave questions or comments down below. Visit us at Facebook, facebook.com/HCLReviews. Tweet at us at twitter.com/hightechlegion. Visit our forums and check out hightechlegion.com for daily updates. And this is Ron. Thanks for watching, and I'm signing out.